You've probably heard that orgasm is a powerful tool for manifestation, but what most people don't know is that there are two very different types of release, and what you choose to do in that moment will either charge your field or drain it. Orgasm is one of the most powerful energetic openings in the human experience, and when you use this intentionally, it becomes a portal, not merely a finish line. In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly when to release and when to hold it, so you can use your sexual energy to heal, to manifest, and to build real power over time. This video is for you if you are new to orgasmic manifestation and not sure where to start, or if you've watched my earlier orgasm videos but still don't feel clear on how to actually use that energy. Or perhaps if you're ready to try retention but don't know when or how to actually do it. Or if you're looking for a straight answer without too much mysticism. If you've ever wondered what makes the difference between the orgasm that drains you and one that changes your life, then this video will explain it. So let's get straight into it. In energy work, orgasm isn't just about pleasure, but it's about where the energy actually goes. There are two distinct kinds. An outward orgasm where energy is released and it leaves the body, and then an internal retention where the energy circulates, recycles, and transforms you from within. An outward orgasm, which is releasing, is the most common type. This is ejaculation for men, muscular release for women, and is often followed by a drop in energy or a complete collapse. But when you use this with intention, it can be a sacred clearing. Grief, stagnation, and tension can be released, giving you space to reset. But when used unconsciously, it's just discharge. But used consciously, it becomes a very powerful tool for clearing. You can release grief, you can move stagnant emotion, and you can literally feel the body let go of what is ready to die. That is why this kind of orgasm is the best when you are holding on to a lot, both emotionally, physically, and energetically, and when you need to move it out. But if you do this too often without awareness, it can actually leave you feeling scattered, depleted, or dependent on the next high. Retained internal orgasms isn't about denial at all. It is about recycling energy instead of leaking it. The 69th current enhances this by looping energy through the spine rather than letting it shoot outward and then dissipate. This is where orgasmic energy is circulated throughout your body, not merely expelled. For men, this often means no ejaculation. For women, it might mean riding the wave without actually going over it. Sometimes it's a small wave, and sometimes it's a full-body, eyes-rolling back electric stillness. This type of orgasm builds power instead of releasing it. It keeps your energy inside of your field, and it strengthens your magnetism. This is ideal for manifestation, for creative work, and also for spiritual clarity. Whether you choose to release or to retain your orgasm, it can become a powerful tool for manifestation if you are aware, present, and intentional. So let's walk through how to work with your orgasm either way as a tool for manifestation. Your first step is to build it with breath. As arousal builds, inhale up your spine in the shape of the number 9 from your root chakra to your crown, and exhale down the front of your body in the shape of the number 6 back down to your root chakra. This keeps the energy in a loop where it circulates and it doesn't leak. It's important to keep your tongue on the roof of your mouth in order to close your energetic circuit for this practice. Keep your eyes relaxed and stay aware. Your second step is to set your intention before you orgasm. Don't wait until it is too late. Before climax, place a clear intention in your awareness. This can be a word, an image, or an outcome that you want to embody or call in. It doesn't need to be something dramatic, just something that is true. For example, clarity, self-worth, open my heart, complete this project, or attract aligned love. Your third step is to direct the orgasm. If you are retaining and as the orgasm rises, imagine the energy moving up your spine and through your body. Visualize it lighting up your heart, your crown, or your third eye. Let your intention ride the wave, but internally. If you are releasing, then stay present as the orgasm crests. Breathe through it and let your intention move outward with the release, like the message carried into the field. Either way, don't disconnect from it. Stay connected to the energy, to your body, and to your breath. Your fourth step is to close the circuit. After orgasm, stay with it. Don't scroll on your phone. Don't jump up. Just breathe. Place your awareness on your heart or on your womb space or lower belly. Let your intention settle in and let your body actually integrate, because this is where the real manifestation begins, not in the moment of climax, but in how you actually hold the energy afterward. Retained orgasms build energy over a period of time. They make you more magnetic, more clear, and more stable, whereas releasing orgasms help you to clear what's no longer serving you. But if you do this too often without purpose, you'll feel scattered or perhaps even depleted. Neither one of the two is better, but what matters the most is whether you are present and whether you know what you are offering into that moment. So the next time your orgasm rises, ask yourself, is this actually a moment for me to let go? Or perhaps this is a moment to charge up? See, when you make this choice with clarity, everything changes. This is where the magic anchors, not in the peak, but how you hold it afterwards. This is also the deeper meaning of the 69th current. Energy flowing in rhythm that's not wasted through collapse. This is also orgasm as a portal. This is a place to command your reality, not just to reach a release. Don't just orgasm, but command reality as you do so. If you want to go deeper into this kind of work, I've created a Patreon exclusive video that explores this topic in even more detail, including masturbation rituals, partner practices, and working with sexual fluids as sacred energy. You'll find the link in the description below. And if this video helped to clarify something for you, then please hit like, please comment below, and please subscribe for more sacred sexuality, energy work, and manifestation teachings. If you have any video requests, then please feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.